Welcome. In this video, we're going to look at yet another example on momentum, where we've been given these two cars. We have car one, which is having the mass of 1,200 kg, and then the truck, which is having the mass of 3,500 kg. This one moving at 50 meters per second in this direction, and then this one moving at 25 meters per second. Now we are told to say these two cars, they collide and stick together. So when they collide and stick together, we are going to find the aspect where they're going to be moving with the same velocity or same speed. So we have this one. So if these collide head on, they're going to stick together and moving with the same velocity, with the same speed. So from this one, we know that momentum. We know that momentum. So from this, let us come up with their respective equations. So initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So from this one, let us call this as this one m1 u1 plus m2 u2 must be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, where v1 and v2 are final velocities of the two cars. But here, what we need to know is that this one and this one should be the same, because the two cars are going to collide. They're going to stick together and they're going to be moving with a common velocity. So we're going to have m1v plus m2v, of which we know that this one can also be, we can factor out v, and we're going to have m1 plus m2 then v. So from here, we want to find the common velocity. We need to find v after collision. So from here, we can just divide by m1, m2. Okay, so we are going to have this one and this one. It is going to, they're going to cancel. Then we have v is equal to, so when you plug in the values, m1, it is 1,200 kg. Okay, then times, we know that the other track was coming in the different or opposite direction, so it has negative 25 and negative 25 meters per second. So this one over, we have m1, so 1,200 plus 3,500. So this one, when we punch on a calculator on top, we are going to have negative 27,500 divided by, and down here we are going to have 4,700. So punching this on a calculator, we are going to have negative 5.851. The units of velocity, meters per second. So velocity is equal to 5.851 meters per second, which can be rounded off to 5.8. Okay, 5 meters per second to the left because of this negative direction. Thank you so much.